Good morning, good morning. It's time for work. I gotta head out the door here in 1 second or two. Just gonna make my coffee first. Coffee, coffee, coffee. My wife is awesome, look at this. She pre-makes my coffee. And we're golden. Friday. You know what that means, y'all? Free Drink Friday. So, we will do something today. Woo! So don't forget to give a thumbs up, leave a comment, protein bar, and you gotta be a subscriber. That's why we do it, cause so we could just appreciate our subscribers, that's all. Alright, I gotta get to work. Grab my string cheese, grab my protein bar, and I'm about to chug a water and head out the door. Alright, oh, here's a new car. I don't know if I showed you guys. This is the new car right here. It's a little Ford Focus. And we got a killer deal on it. Alright, we're out of here. We gotta go. Oh my son.
Okay, sit up, kid.
I gotta get inside, dang it. Come home! Where are you? Okay, let's go do some work. Let's go show them why they hired me. It's just about towards the end of the day. Just got a few more things to do and I'm out of here. It's been a pretty productive day, but there's tons of backup, tons of stuff that we'll have to wait for Monday. I'm gonna head home. Elias and my wife is still gone. I miss him. Right after here, I gotta go over to his house and free her dog to go poop or whatever. I've never done this in my life, serious. And then, yeah, that's gonna be strange. Oh, that's gonna be so strange. I seriously have never, ever done something like this before. But it's a nice deed. A nice deed indeed. Come on. Come on. Go pee. Hey. Come on, go use the restroom. Where did you go? Come on, don't do this to me. Go use the restroom. Come on, go pee. Go poop. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Come on, let's go. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Let's go. Come on. Come on, let's go. Let's go pee. Come on. You guys hearing this? Let's go, come on. Come on, let's go. Come on, girl. Come on. No, I feel so bad. I think I'm just gonna leave. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. I'm not kidding. What do you do in situations like that? Anyway, I'm gonna go play golf. I haven't played in a long time, but I'm gonna go see what's going on over here. Should be fun. Nobody's home. Pastor! Hey, I just left your house.
You what?
I just left your house.
Oh, I know.
Are you over there?
Yeah.
Okay, I'll be there in like 2 seconds. Catch me outside, how about that? Come down! Let's go! Yeah!
Why do y'all have that van?
Come on! You ready, dude?
Yeah.
This place called Chili Addictions. I've never been there.
Oh my goodness.
Hey, Will. Come on, little buddy. We have arrived!
How you guys doing?
Good.
What do you got?
Well, don't start playing with me. I'm not playing with being nice, okay? Did you just say my head looks like a pincushion?
Did you just say my head looks like a pincushion?
Yes, it does.
Yes, it does.
Look at this right here. Refuse the soap appeal, go. Come on. That's it.
Yeah, be careful when you pull it out.
Put all of
Yeah, make sure
it.
you put pressure. Oh,
Whoa, 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 look at that.
there you go. Yeah, go give him a 5. You're here?
Oh. Guys, see ya.
Bye, y'all.
Bye.
I love you.
Bye, Elijah. Bye, Kelly. No, open my door.
Hey, brother.
Oh, he's stuck. He's stuck. He's stuck. Will, he's gonna take you down the street, dude.
I don't do that.
See the way Will's gonna jump out.
We're all scared.
Will,
Come on, let the light on.
look at this fuzzy lady. What?
80s baby.
Look at this hair. Oh, it looks good though. What is that?
Corn roast.
Crazy. That's a chip. Here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Come on. Let me get you out of here. Did you have a good time with Mama? Son. Come over here. What's Mama doing? Finally home. I'm so glad my family's home. I love them so much. Don't forget to live for God, love your family, and have fun doing it. Talk to you guys soon. See you guys in the next episode.